This time we are having Dr. Nasim Ashraf, who has recently written a book under the title of Ringside. Sir, during your speech, you said that unless there is a stable government in Afghanistan, so we cannot experience stability in our tribal belt. So, who do you think are responsible for creating instability in Afghanistan?
Afghanistan instability is multifactorial. As you know, there are five factions of the Taliban. Then there is ISIS. Then there are proxies of other countries there. Iran has a big presence there and a role to play. I think the best solution for Afghanistan is that all the regional countries need to come together to settle Afghanistan, so that, and the Taliban also want to be recognized, but they're still not entering into relations with the rest of the world. So I think a regional approach is the best approach to settle Afghanistan. Without Afghanistan settling down, unfortunately, our tribal areas and the rest of Pakistan cannot settle down.
So there is excessively neighboring involvement in Afghanistan, as our intelligence agencies can excessively use the term of deep state, and then our DGISI, who drank tea there in Afghanistan when Taliban conquered, and we celebrated their arrival back to Afghanistan. So do you not think that our intelligence agencies, yeah, our military establishment is responsible for this chaos in Afghanistan?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Then
Let me finish. Let me finish. You asked me a question. When Pakistan DGISI went to Afghanistan at the same time, people did not report this. The head of US intelligence, the head of Chinese intelligence, and the head of Indian intelligence were also visiting Kabul. Number one. Number two, every country has the right to defend itself. We are now the victims of aggression by the TTP, who are based in Afghanistan.
Sir, who brought TTP back to Pakistan?